This video is on relations versus functions. We're going to first determine how to tell if a relation is a function. So in words and on a graph. So in words, to determine if it is a function, for each input, there is only one output. So if we remember, input are the x's and output are the y's. So we can also look at this as saying, make a little note about this, there are no repeating x's unless their y's also repeat. So that means that if you have a repeating x, that does not mean that it's not a function. If you have a repeating x value, you must look at those y's as well. We don't care about the y's for any other reason. If you have an x value that is repeating, then look at those y values and see if they repeat. If those y values also repeat, then it is a function. So on a graph, if we're wanting to determine if it's on a function on a graph, then the graph, it passes what's called the vertical line test, or the VLT. So again, a note for this means that any vertical line, which is the line that goes up and down, any vertical line drawn on the graph, not just the coordinate plane, but the graph itself, crosses only once to pass. And that's what we want. We want it to pass. So any vertical line, if I draw any vertical line on the graph and it crosses only once on that graph, it's good. But any vertical line, no matter where it is, if it crosses twice on that graph, it is not a function.